from the last presentation, I told you that school facilities are different elements that facilitates all academic and non-academic operations within the school systems. School facilities guarantee the enablement of the entire system within a school. They could be referred to as intermingling of different related elements working for teaching and learning, as well as handling school affairs. That is what school facility is all about. That is, different related elements working together for teaching and learning. And when you say teaching and learning, we are talking about instruction. So, want instruction to be effective, school facilities are highly important. And because they are highly important, so they are the ones that we normally use to handle school affairs. Also, you should realize that it's very, very cognizant to realize that in school facility there are certain related terms. And in view of this, we are going to look at different terms in school facilities. And what are those terms? The terms I would like to make reference to here are as follows: basic facilities, ancillary facilities, and ancillary areas in school. I will say it again: basic facilities in schools, ancillary facilities, and ancillary areas in schools. We also talk of health facilities in school, safety related facilities in school. Those are the ones I would like to talk about today or now. Now, what are those things that I've mentioned? And you're talking of basic facilities in school. Basic facilities should be the facility that provides schools those basic things that make teaching and learning very, very effective. And what are they? They include classrooms, laboratories, workshops, administrative facilities, equipment, furniture, healthcare facilities, student accommodation, especially in boarding schools, as well as municipal services facilities. We also talk about availability of halls, seminars, conference rooms, seminar or conference rooms, seminar or conference rooms, and academic and non-academic staff offices. All these ones are part of the basic facility that should be provided for school effectiveness. Now, talking of basic facilities have requirements in relation to different schools. So, basic facilities that some schools might be able to provide might be different from basic facilities that some other schools might be able to provide. Therefore, school standards, school values, school qualities determines the kind of facilities that they provide. But no matter their standard, no matter the qualities of the school, there are certain facilities that are very, very important that schools must provide for students. And majority of those facilities have been mentioned in the one I listed above. So there is no way that any school, especially when we are talking of private schools, there is no way that government will allow private schools not to have a basic facility like classrooms. There is no way they will not make them not to have basic facilities like teachers' offices and toilets that will be for the convenience of the user of the members of the schools. So those are basic facilities that must be provided by schools. They are very, very important. I've mentioned classrooms, I've mentioned laboratories, I've mentioned seminar or conference rooms and academic staff offices. They are very, very important. They must be provided. If not, there will be no school. Now, let me now talk about each of them, one after the other. Number one, talking of ancillary facilities and ancillary areas in schools. Ancillary facilities in schools are support facilities that can be used as a form of help or assistance to supplement original facilities in schools. In some schools, these are some forms of facilities that are provided to children with disabilities to help them get comfortable in the process of schooling, such as